This is another very nice elevator today. And, that we got into today on the 25th of July 2023. This is Kartanonmetsäntie. Kartanonmetsäntie. For big gorge Skogsvägen in Swedish. We'll check later. Building 13, staircase E, the last one in the building that has. This is the only one that has an elevator as well.
Yeah.
It was built by Valmet Otis in 1988, turning 35 years old this year, 2023. I love this building here.
Same.
This number is V1 in the 0317, and it's going to be inspected the next year, 2024. You can pass these four buildings of the twins, and it's made faster.
Yeah. No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What?
It's
No.
okay, but
Yeah.
but we'll not go there.
Yeah.
But we'll take it from the fifth floor, take floor up to rights there. Because I thought we were on the first floor.
Yeah.
Well, the light is
Yeah.
broken for the first one.
Yeah.
I love the sounds in the house.
Yeah, same. Dit pak, je wijst dat met een boot, zo nou dit.
Malminkartano, Helsinki is for Suomi and Finland. Let's go back to the second floor. You can first. And luckily the lights are original.
Yeah.
Or at least the yellow or light rose.
Yeah.
Fits in the best. It's the best here. All the lights.
That's